In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Wi-Fi and CarPlay issue on your iPhone 17 Pro Max and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is the first and foremost step is all about you have to try with an airplane mode. So just go over here at the top, scroll it like this. Now you can see there is an airplane mode, tap on it. Now all we have to do is just wait hardly 1 to 5 minutes. Then you just need to tap on this once again and you have to check whether the Wi-Fi is working properly or not, or you can try the same with your CarPlay as well. Afterwards, still if you're having the trouble, the next one of the reason why you're having the issue is all because of the VPN. So just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and tap on the VPN. Over here you can see I'm having the turbo VPN. So if the VPN is not connected, but even though in the past you might be having some of the VPN connected like profiles, if that is the reason, for me it's showing turbo VPN. So what I need to do is I just need to tap over here, tap on the eye icon over here and just go for delete VPN. And once you delete all the profiles of the VPN that's already connected, you need to delete it. And once you delete it, you have to make sure you have to check with whether that's going to solve the issue or not. If that is not working, the next one, we need to redo the network reset. So to do so, we have to go over here, tap on the general, and from here all the way down, you have to scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone. Now from here, go to the reset and go over here, tap on the reset network settings. Once done, you have to check, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.